In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the PES 2010 error related to the Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Convert-L1-1-0.Dll file. This process should take about 5 minutes, and by the end, your game should be running smoothly without that pesky error message. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft website. You can find the link easily online using a quick search. Once you're there, you need to locate and download the Visual C++ redistributable package. This package includes libraries for Visual Studio versions 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2022. It's essential because the missing DLL file is part of this package, and downloading it will resolve the error. Once you're on the Microsoft download page, you might notice several options presented. It's crucial to select the file that's compatible with your system. If you're not sure whether your computer is running a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows, it's easy to check. Simply navigate to your system settings, and under About, you'll find the system type. Keep this in mind as you proceed to select the correct version of the installer. For those of you using a 64-bit Windows system, download the file labeled as vc/redist-l-x64.exe. If your system is 32-bit, then the vc/redist-docs86.exe is the one you're looking for. Getting this step right is vital because using the wrong version will not fix the issue and may lead to further complications. After downloading the correct file, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click to run the installer. Now you'll see a prompt asking you to accept the terms and conditions. Read through them if you wish, and then click Install. This will begin the installation process for the necessary files. Installation should take just a few moments. Once it's done, one last step remains: restarting your computer. This might seem simple, but it's crucial to ensure that all changes take effect properly. Restarting allows your system to update and fully integrate the new files, clearing up the DLL error when you run PES 2018 next. And that's it. After your computer reboots, try launching PES 2018 again. You should find that the error is no longer there, and you can finally enjoy your game without any interruptions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and troubleshooting guides. Happy gaming!